I told you I got the new sticky ickies. Shout out to Tire Streets, man. They told me, they said hit them up and they gave me a good deal on these, man. So I'm gonna do a review, and they want me to do a review on them, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a review on the tires to see how they do, how they handle. I don't know how they're gonna be, but they, man, look at the grip. And I did go bigger because I was told I can put 275, so I got a bigger tire on the back. I got 275, so I'm about to put this in the car. Yeah, because if you don't see, remember I said if you got that rear differential, all right, ain't no tread on those. Ain't no tread. That's a little bit of tread, but you see it. Ain't no tread. So both of these tires are done. I'm done with those tires. My front tires are still good. I still got tread on them. I'm gonna change those eventually. I don't need to change them right now because there's no need to. But yeah, the rear one's definitely needed, and that's why I got these sticky ickies right here. Look at that. All right, so about to go ahead and put them in the car and get them put on tomorrow. Yo, so it's a few days later on, y'all. So I got the daggone tires in the back. About to go get these things put on. You all know I only trust Sam's Tires to put my tires on and do all that stuff because they have one of the fastest, cleanest tire shops around in PG County. If y'all go to any other tire shop, they dirty, they grimy, they overpriced, and Sam's is not like that, man. Sam's is one of the best tire places around that I've seen in my years, man. So that's what I'm going to, man. I'm going to Sam's Tires. They about to put these sticky bigger things. They about to put these sticky ickies on, you know. So yeah, that's what I gotta do. I'm gonna get it done, and then I'm gonna just see how it feels with the wider grip, do a few pulls and stuff like that. Oh yeah, I need to get over. My bad, dog. I need to get over. My bad, man. I've been trying to get over. You know how like you got your blinker on for a minute, and then they still ain't trying to let you over? That's what just happened. Let a brother over, man. You want me to waste more gas? Alright, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm about to head over there and I'll see y'all in a few. Wouldn't be a Grizzly Marty video if I didn't do a cold start. So let's go ahead and get this cold start. $300 gang, like, comment, and subscribe. Grizzly gang! Alright, so y'all see where I'm at. Hold on. Y'all see where I'm at Sam's Tires. They don't got the sign up because they just like extended it. So what they about to do is just go ahead and change the back for me. So that's all I got. I got the rear tires back there. So yeah, he already looked at it. He about to give him this. Got the key, man, so nobody don't steal the rim. You see how bad that was? It was horrible. Oh, you. Go ahead. No, you good, man. Yeah, go ahead.
He's got with me in the YouTube now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you have the tires over there?
Yeah. The tires actually right here.
Yeah, right here.
I put them back. I'm putting them back. Yep. That's on the back. Yeah, they didn't fit in the back. Go, you good?
I don't want to hit the door.
Yeah. I appreciate it, man. Oh, look at that. Nice Corvette. Well, I think that's a C4. If I'm wrong, I think that's a C4. I could be wrong, could be right. I don't know. I'm gonna ask him when he come up. It's definitely nice, definitely classic. Is it C4? C4, yeah. See, I knew I was right. It's nice. So they on Baltimore Avenue, if y'all don't know. That's a nice Hummer. You saw that, Jet? Hummer's cool. But you know, Sam's Tires, they don't got that number. But if y'all ever look them up, Sam's Tires, they got new and used tires. And they also put up your own stuff. And they do tires, brakes, and alignments. But alignment they do over there. They got that copyright music. They having fun though. These real cool guys. So yeah, they about to hook me up, man. About to get these tires on there. I still gotta give them this thing too. think, I don't know if I put the tires on back, but he having a hard time. I don't know if I put the little torque joint in there, but yeah, she also got to get clean. And then the next thing I got to do is I got to see what the attachment is for the bumper, because that thing is pretty weak. And I keep going over here and adjusting it. Hey, come on, Chrysler, y'all should have made better clamp. See how like it clamp back like that? See? I don't get it, so I think I just need different clamps so I can be more flush to it. And the hood will be coming soon. I can't wait to show y'all the hood. I can't show y'all because it's gonna be real different, and I like being different. That's one thing about me, is I love being different. I like to stick out like a sore thumb. You feel me? Like, even though the black, it don't stick out like a sore thumb, but trust and believe, the process is coming out, man. The process is good, and I couldn't be more happy. So we got the first one on. Man, hook me up, man. I appreciate it. Yeah.
Perfect.
It's perfect. Yeah. Got these wide tires on here. See how they handle. I don't need to change those yet. They still good. Looking good. Up next is a car wash for her. Got a lot of tread, man. Finally. Finally got it on there, man. Oh. They was doing their thing, man. I can't lie, they was doing their thing. They got it on there. Now it's time to get it clean.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Good. Thank you. Yep, so we got this on. Get him down. Nice water charge. No, you good, man? She knows. All set, man. Alright. Thank you. Yeah, now it's time to get her clean. Alright. Got the candy. I don't know. I love trolls. Get it? Alright. Hey. That's it, 17 PSI. Oh, let me see. I gotta get that. I didn't know. Man, y'all see I got the moves right now, but let's go ahead and put this thing in sport. And we're gonna do his first pull. Traction control slightly off. Cause not all the way off, it's just in sport, so it give you like that little fun feel. So we about to see how it is. I feel like it's gonna be good though. Oh, man. Yes, sir. Get the sun to shine on me, man. All right. So now I'm about to make this turn. Got the bigger tires. Oh, we can't even turn. I might can't even make a U-turn. I feel like she about to go. Let me see. Oh, that dog head out the window. Who was blowing though? I think she cut him off. I don't know. So there we go. First real pull. Spun a little bit, of course. You got foul, but it stuck with it. Not even mad. Ooh, that thing is hot though. a nice pull just for a thank you. Yeah, this thing's hot now, man. I gotta get my tire. They put too much tire pressure in it. I'm gonna have to put that down. I'm gonna stop, go some. Trying to get a good pull. But, you know, I got him in front of me, so. Let's see. Oh yeah. I knew that was gonna happen because that's the daggone red light, but you know, had to entertain y'all, man. Grizzly gang, what's good? What's up, man?
You got muffler deletion on there?
Yeah, it's straight pipe.
Straight pipe?
Yeah. Thanks, bro. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Yeah. Subscribe to the channel, bro.
Yeah, man.
All right. Yeah, supercharged Hemi. That's what it say. Okay. It might be supercharged Hemi. Will be supercharged soon. Well, pro charge, pretty much supercharger, pro charger, whatever you want to say. It does the same thing. Sucks the air in, shoots the air out, makes you go faster. Vroom vroom. Alright, so I'm about to go get my hair cut, and then I gotta handle some business. Yeah, I gotta do all that stuff. So I'll see you in a few. As you see, it is the next day. It's the following day. It is actually evening time. It's nighttime. So you see, I got the haircut, but I didn't shave the back. I gotta shave this now. But the tire's been good. I've been able to drive them, see how they feel. They feel really good. I think I have to get alignment from my front tire because my steering wheel is moved that way and has nothing to do with the back. But everything is good. And I am gonna get alignment just to make sure that everything is correct and everything is legit. To do all that. Let me see. But other than that, oh yeah, I'm going to Savage Garage thing in Bethesda this Saturday. If y'all go to Savage Garage page, I'm gonna put it in the link. Well, I'm not even gonna put it. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna screenshot it. I'm gonna put it right here, or it might be over there. All right, so y'all come out there. It's gonna be a Cars and Coffee. It's on Saturday. It's from 8 to 11. I will be bringing Gizmo out there. Y'all come and meet and greet me and everybody. Savage Garage, Streets P 717, Hemi Muscle, Modern Red Hemi. Who else gonna be there? Pro Vezzy. I think, yeah, I think this is gonna be out there. Oh yeah, Hellcat TV, but he don't got a Hellcat no more. He got a BMW, so it'd be cool to see him again. And yeah, we're gonna get some good content. And also I'm gonna be going to a bully event for Gizmo after the event. So yeah, catch me when you can, man. But I'll see you on the next one. And the next video will pretty much be a review on the tires and how I really feel about them. I feel good about them, but I'm gonna do some more driving and some more, you know, some more sturdy stuff to see how they really feel. But I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Grizzly Money channel because I'm coming out with these bangers every single daggone day for you guys. Fuzzy here. All right.